Hey everyone, it's attorney Bianca Jordan from brazenlegal.com. Thanks so much for watching this video. Please be sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next one. Today's video is to answer someone's question. I got an RFE. Does this mean that my case will be denied? So receiving an RFE, which is also known as a request for evidence, does not mean that your application for an immigration benefit will be denied. It just means that the agency needs a little bit more information for your case before they can make that decision. The thing to understand about requests for evidence is that they're definitely serious business. You definitely want to make sure that you're taking it seriously and that you are submitting every single thing that they are asking for. If they ask you for 10 items, you need to submit all 10 items. I have seen situations where people's applications for a green card or asylum or whatever they're applying for is denied simply because the RFE requests a whole bunch of information and they don't get all of it. I have seen situations where people are applying for green cards and the RFE is asking for one specific thing and the person submits something else and immigration denied. In this particular case, immigration denied the green card application and then this person ended up in removal proceedings and they're currently in detention right now. So RFEs are definitely something that you should take seriously. If you don't understand what's being asked or you don't understand how you should request or how you should respond to the RFE, definitely work with an immigration attorney. And another thing to know about the RFEs is that they typically give you anywhere from 30 to 60 days from the date of the request for evidence to get everything into immigration. So you want to make sure that you're getting everything in time to meet that deadline. I hope you found this video helpful. Please visit brazenlegal.com to learn more about me, my law firm, and how I can help you. And please don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next episode. Thanks for watching.